the friars.
Go.
Okay, one of the example is Graciano Lopez Hina, Cecil Gonzalez, Graciano
Go.
Graciano Lopez Hina, known as the Cecil Gonzalez.
Graciano Lopez Haina is known as the great orator.
Okay, very good. Hina was known for his sharp beating satire and for founding the La Solidaridad. One of his work is The Fried Bottle. Written in Charo, Iloilo in 1876, 6 years after the Cavite Revolt attacking the friars in the Philippines. He exposed how some of the friars were greedy, ambitious, and immoral. The next of his work is La Tía del Fraile, Child of the Friar. And everything is humble, everything is mere show. Here, Hina explains the tragedy of marrying a Spaniard. Next is Marcelo H. Del Pilar. Marcelo H. Del Pilar, he is known as a political analyst. One of his words is "Maingat kayo," means be careful. A humorous and sarcastic reading and answer to Father Jose Rodriguez in the novel of Noli of Rizal published in Barcelona in 1888. He is used Dolores Manaban as pen name here. Next is Dasalan at Kausohan, means prayers and jokes. Similar to a catechism sarcastical dictation against the parish priest published in Barcelona in 1888. Because of this, Del Pilar was called Filibustero. Done in admirable tone of supplication and excellent use of Tagalog. Next is Ang Dakilaan ng Diyos, means God's goodness. Published in Barcelona, it was also like a catechism, sarcastically aimed against the parish priest, but also contains a philosophy of the power and intelligence of God and appreciation for unloved for nature. The next is Dr. Jose Rizal, Noli Me Tangere. This was a novel that gave spirit to the propaganda movement and paved the way to the revolution against Spain. In this book, he courageously exposed the evils in the Spanish Grand Government and the Philippines are exposed that sparked revolution and resistance in the hearts of the Filipinos. Next is Marnisha, can you read?
Andres Bonifacio, katungkulan gagawin ng mga anak ng bayan, obligation of our countrymen, an outline of obligations just like the Ten Commandments. Hence, it is likewise called ang Decalogue. Ang dapat mabatid ng mga Tagalog. What the Tagalog should know. An essay outlining the basic tenets of Bonifacio's ideas on nationalism.
Andres Bonifacio, known